2025 Mahindra Scorpio N, full review. Hey everyone, welcome back to MVP Auto 09. Today, we're bringing you an in-depth look at the 2025 Mahindra Scorpio N, one of the most anticipated SUVs of the year. We'll explore its bold exterior design, color options, premium interior, infotainment, and cutting-edge technology. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews and updates. Now, let's jump right in. The 2025 Mahindra Scorpio N commands attention with its bold and aggressive styling. At the front, we have Mahindra's signature 6-slat chrome grille, flanked by dual-barrel LED projector headlamps. The C-shaped LED dials add to its modern and dynamic appeal, ensuring a striking road presence both day and night. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice muscular rear arches with also 2-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, contributing to its powerful stance. The high-ground clearance and bold character lines along the body reinforce its rugged nature, making it perfect for both city drives and off-road adventures. At the rear, the Scorpio N sports vertically stacked LED tail lamps, a sculpted tailgate, and a roof-mounted spoiler. The shark fin antenna, roof rails, and side cladding add practicality and sportiness to the overall design. As for color choices, Mahindra offers a wide range of shades, including Napoli Black, for that stealthy and sophisticated look, Dazzling Silver, a modern and sleek choice, Everest White, for a clean and premium feel, Deep Forest Green, giving it an adventurous and rugged appeal, Red Rage, a bold and energetic color option. Color is your favorite. Step inside the 2025 Scorpio N, and you're greeted by a premium, feature-rich cabin that blends comfort with advanced technology. The dashboard features a dual-tone design with soft-touch materials, giving it an upmarket feel. The leather-wrapped steering wheel comes with integrated controls, offering ease of access to media, cruise control, and voice commands. The seating is available in both 6-seater and 7-seater configurations, with premium leatherette upholstery for a luxurious experience. The front seats are well bolstered and come with ventilation for added comfort. The second-row captain seats in the 6-seater variant offer superior comfort, while the third-row seats are best suited for kids or shorter trips. Now, let's talk tech. The highlight of the cabin is the 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, running Mahindra's Adreno X AI-powered interface. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with built-in navigation and voice assistance. The 7-inch fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving stats, navigation prompts, fuel efficiency data, and safety alerts. Plus, for music lovers, Mahindra has equipped the Scorpio N with a Sony 3D surround sound system featuring 12 speakers, including a subwoofer, delivering an immersive audio experience. For added convenience, the Scorpio N, the 2025 Mahindra Scorpio N continues to set the bar high with its powerful design, luxurious interiors, and advanced tech features. Whether you're looking for a capable off-roader or a comfortable family SUV, this one delivers on all fronts. So, what are your thoughts on the new Scorpio N? Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe to MVP Auto 09 for more in-depth car content. See you in the next video.